Hey, I'm Deepak Ahuja, and I'm about to give you a cheat code that sets you on the path of a solid financial life. A good financial life is just next door. There are certain things you need to do in order to put yourself in a better position. Let us start. Let us take the look. Get yourself a health insurance. Insure yourself against financial crisis. Having health insurance protects you if you have an accident or illness. It saves you from certain financial burden. So health insurance becomes your number one financial priority. Save 6 months income. If you don't like your job at some point of time, or you get fired, or you're about to move to a new place, or something goes wrong, then you are going to need at least 6 months income. Start saving for retirement. Consistent and dedicated savings might not seem so glamorous, but it will give you control and freedom over your lifestyle long down the road in your life. Put some of your savings in a low risk investment. Then what I would probably do is take some of my savings and invest in moderate or low risk mutual fund. Invest up to 10% of your savings in high risk investment. If you're an adventurer and can afford to take risk, then you might take 10% and invest in like small cap equity mutual funds. It can pay you big. But if you do that, you got to pretend you have already lost your money. It can actually pay you big, but limited to only 10%. Buy groceries and consumables in bulk on the next big sale. It is easy to make money when you see a sale than from your investments. So next time you see this big sale on Flipkart or Amazon, consider buying the stuff for like 2 or 3 years. Buying on good discounts is an immediate return on your money because prices are going to go up. And this way you can put easy money in your pocket. Pay off your loan the smart way. You usually make more money by paying off a loan than by saving and investing. Now that's probably because paying off a 12% interest loan is kind of equivalent to getting a 12% return from your investments. Get smart about income tax. Nobody likes paying taxes. One way to decrease your taxes is by taking all the deductions you're eligible for. By learning a little about the taxes, you can save yourself a substantial amount. Nice works. When you're nice to people around you, you're caring, you're empathetic, you're always gonna get more returns. Nothing is easy. Be smart, work hard.